Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Here on the Solana chart, we're currently still dealing with this correction. I can't tell you exactly when this wave 4 correction that we are tracking and have been tracking for the last couple of weeks, when this is over, but I can certainly tell you that it's not over yet, okay? And I haven't got any confirmation that this correction, which started few weeks ago, actually it was up here around the 22nd, 23rd of November. I have no confirmation it's over. Actually, what we said is that a wave 2 and a wave 4, they tend to have the same length, wave 2 and 4, at least similar duration. And we're not quite there yet. It might take us more towards the 24th, 25th of December. Yeah. So we have not even reached the same length duration as wave 2. That is what I would expect. Maybe even a little longer, maybe even into the new year. I wouldn't rule that out. Maybe we get a bit of a B wave bounce before. That's what I'm watching for at the moment. But also here, it's not really doing anything yet, which is, again, not necessarily a surprise, because even in corrections, B waves, that they are doing exactly what the price is doing right now. They're creating overlapping patterns. Yeah, it looks, let's say, corrective. We get a lot of messy price action, messy structures, ugly movements up and down. So that's precisely what a B wave is doing. So bottom line is, this wave 4 is likely still unfolding. We're still holding in a corrective price channel. Sorry, it's not corrective actually. It's a diagonal price channel probably. We could get that one more high in wave 5 and should take us towards 360, 370. In the last last video, someone commented that, shouldn't wave 5 take us to like $800 plus? Well, I have to say this would go beyond all standard targets for a fifth wave, right? Just looking at the proportions, if we consider wave 1 and 5 tend to have a similar length, this would be way higher, like 2 times, 3 times that long, right? So it wouldn't really be an expectation right now. I cannot rule it out. Sometimes you get these wild extensions. That's absolutely possible. But it wouldn't be my preferred scenario right now. It would be something that becomes more probable as we see more price data. For now, the trend is still up. And currently in this uptrend, we're dealing with a short-term correction, which again behaves like a correction. There's nothing in the chart that tells me that a major top has formed. So that's very important, I think, and maybe reassuring. Nothing is set in stone, things can change, but that is what we see right now. And then if we look at the shorter time frame, the price yesterday broke out of a trend line, but could not break above my signal line here at around $227.50. This was the green line. We talked about these previous swing highs. Hasn't broken above. So there was an attempt, but it fell back into the range. We're still holding above micro support between $209 and $215. From here, the price could try again to move higher. And what would that be? The idea is that, again, we are still in a wave 4 correction, right? That's the idea. And the idea is that the first move down here into the 10th of December low could have been orange wave A. We're now moving in orange wave B, and the price is just chopping around. That's what a B wave does. But the B wave could be an A, B, C structure. So the A wave was 5 waves. The B wave is ugly, overlapping, messy. That's a B wave in wave B. That's just what it does. And maybe we get a C wave rally from here. We will have to see. It would need to take us above the last high, so around $227, $228, and above the upper boundary line of that adjusted price channel. And then we can see the price move ideally to $244 plus. That's still the target range we discussed yesterday. But there is currently no indication a low is in. It was already looking a little bit like that yesterday. And it did hold, let's say it is still holding a higher low. So it still has a chance to turn around from here. And we are still holding above $209. But on the shorter time frame, there's nothing that would tell me that a local low has formed. Not with that retracement that we've seen from the swing high yesterday. And we're overall still in a price channel. So again, like everywhere in the crypto sector, we need patience. But today is Fed day, so maybe we'll get a little bit of volatility later. If there is something that's changing, I will communicate that later today on Discord for our gold members and tomorrow in the next video. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. If you're interested in the membership, you can check out this video. It's on our channel page. It explains the membership in detail. You can get access to additional update videos, member updates as additional thank you for those who support the channel and MCO. Yesterday, for example, I covered Chlor, Phantom, Atom, QNT. The day before WorldCoin, then Dog with Hat, and so on. So there are also these updates, plus member-only live streams every Sunday. And as a gold member, you can also access Discord for the chat rooms, additional learning materials, stuff that focuses on trading mindset, the Tradingview live chart links, and much more. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.